Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today we are creating a beautiful cocktail for you, the Cosmopolitan. Enjoy Cosmopolitan life. I will start with cutting an orange spiral for Cosmopolitan Cocktail. Carefully cut the skin of the orange as per your desired length. I know you can do it. I want this much for my Cosmopolitan. Watch how I am giving it a spiral shape. That's perfect. Now I will make a cocktail for you. Let's take a chilled cocktail glass. I will use the shake and strain method to make this cocktail. For detail you can watch my videos on mixology basics. I will pour 45 milliliters or 1.5 ounce vodka. Use any classic vodka of your choice. Add 15 milliliters or ½ ounce triple sec. Triple sec is an orange-flavored liqueur, easily available in the market. Now add 7.5 milliliters or ¼ ounce of lime mix. Please check the description box for the recipe. Pour 30 milliliters or 1 ounce of cranberry juice. You are watching Spice Trail. Add 6 to 8 cubes of ice. Now I will shake all the ingredients, and allow the ice to dilute a little bit. 10 to 12 times of shaking is enough. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Now I will strain the cocktail and pour straight up. You can use a cocktail strainer to do this job easily. You are watching Spice Trail. For beautiful recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel. Okay. Now I will garnish the cocktail with orange spiral. Cosmopolitan cocktail is ready. Cheers. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with a beautiful recipe. Till then, keep watching.